Hello, my name is Johany Flores, and I will be your 7th grade social studies teacher this year. I'm looking forward to the beginning of the school year, looking forward to meeting my students, and I know that it is going to be a very different year, and the classroom and work is going to be different from what we're used to, before what we've ever done before. But it's going to be a great year. It's going to be a year with some growth and some grace. And Canvas is going to be the best platform that we're going to be using for communicating with each other. I will have information for my email. I will have information for our virtual meetings and recorded meetings on Canvas, student work directions, student work submission that will also be done through Canvas. So Canvas, we will be practicing it in class for those students that may not be very familiar with Canvas, and you will be using it at home. A little bit about myself. I've been teaching for going on 17 years now, and I love it. I don't think I would be teaching anything other than social studies. Social studies is the best. History is the best. And yes, you can tell your other teachers that I said that. I have about 17, 18 years living here in Charlotte. I did grow up in Miami, Florida. And I've been here for almost 20 years. I am married. I have two young boys at home. One is a first grader. The other one will be in kindergarten next year. And a dog. We adopted a puppy because that's a good thing to do, spending so much time at home. And I look forward to getting to know my students as well. And social studies supplies for the year. You probably want to get a one subject notebook. We are going to be doing a lot online, so we're not going to need the big fat notebooks or binders. A one subject notebook. Color pencils that you can share and use with all your classes. So all of your classes, I think, are going to ask you for color pencils. So color pencils definitely you're going to want for social studies class. I'd probably also suggest a folder so that you can put handouts and things in that you might get to do at home. Since I'm only going to be seeing you one day a week, there might be some things that you get or I give you ahead of time. And also a glue stick or maybe even some tape, probably a good idea to have, since there are things that you'll want to attach and put in that notebook. So other than that, again, I'm very excited to meet my students. Enjoy these last few days of summer that you have. I know that it is strange to not actually come and be in person for open house, but I will be here and I will be ready and waiting for you when your day comes to come to school. In the meantime, if you're not coming to school Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday, please, again, go to Canvas, go to your social studies Canvas course, and try to jump on the live meeting. Try to join us live. That way you can at least be part of class Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, if you can. Okay? Take care, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.